Hello, 2023 Diskin USA booth. What we have is Matt Diskin designed the new LIVEWIRE for Kershaw. Kershaw's out the front. Fantastic knife. Facilitates many different grips, from the Filipino grip to the ice pick grip. Great knife. We had show specials that are gone. They were bronze handles. We have the black. This is the new release. What Matt did for the show is a couple custom grinds, custom hardware, Damascus, also some Takafu steel, custom pocket clips. Every knife came with a driver for the bits, and big year for Diskin USA and Kershaw. That's my favorite. Good?
You guys developed this? Or
Matt's the designer. Matt Diskin designed the new LIVEWIRE for Kershaw.
they could buy this from Kershaw or from you guys, or they could buy it from Kershaw or you guys?
They can buy it from Kershaw distributors on the production one. The customs you can only get from Matt Diskin, Diskin USA.
So what is the custom? This comes with Damascus?
There's many different ones. There's different Damascus patterns, and he also used some Takafu for some of the blade grinds, the laminate. If you can see it, can you see it in the light?
Yeah. Joe, thanks a lot.
Always a pleasure, sir. Thank you.